Keep researching, keep studying, because life is deep. Graduates, professionals, everything is deep. They are like ocean. You can't exhaust it. It's just like when you are thrown inside an Atlantic Ocean and they ask you to continue to drink. You can't finish it. So let's keep researching. That is what promotes government's economic integration and the rest. The best thing you can do for yourself is to study. Keep reading, keep researching, keep believing in yourself. Keep talking to yourself that no matter what, you will get there. Keep saying to people, keep telling yourself that you will be there one day. So lastly, the professionals, the student, the graduate, the youth, the women, believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe in your dream. And don't wait to be encouraged. Let your vision encourage you. Let your program, let your goals, let your dreams be your encourager. These are the things that can encourage you. Wake up in the morning and see that you have not done anything and keep doing it. Nobody will encourage you to do things because people are full of themselves. People are with a lot of things. People are also engaging things. You are engaging on your own. I'm engaging on my own. So everybody is busy. We are all busy. So if you are waiting for someone that is busy to come and encourage you, you will wait there forever. Keep encouraging yourself. Keep believing in yourself. Know that you are the only one that can do it. That which you are doing, that which you have chosen to do. But do the right thing. Not things that are easy, but things that are right. Do the right thing. Always. That is what humanity is all about. Do the right thing. Keep pursuing your dreams. Keep pursuing your goal. You will get there. The only time you fail or you can be termed failure, when you stop trying.